Assalamu alaikum children. I am your Miss Ghazal. How are you children? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, in our previous video we stated that how can we make and read three-letter words. And today we will also make and read these words. And with the help of these words, we make sentences. Now let's start the work. Children, these are at words. If we keep the F at the beginning of at words, now it will make fed, fed, at fed. Now children, if we keep the r at the beginning of at, now it will make red, at red, at red. And if we keep the k at the beginning of at, so what will be it? So what will it make? Cat. K at cat. K at cat. Now children, this is the word an. A-N-N. If we keep the letter r in the beginning of an word, so it will make ran. And ran, and ran. Now, if we keep the at the beginning of n, now it will make man, and man, and man. At fat, at red, and ran. A fat rat ran. Now children, read with me again. Another sentence. A f at fat, k at cat, s at sad. A fat cat sad. Now read it again, another sentence. A at fat, and man, and ran. A fat man ran. A fat man ran. Children, this is your phonic reader 2. Now open the book. Open the page number 2. Which page? Page number 2. Yes, very good. Children, we already read that this page by making three-letter words. Now you will read this page by watching this video again and again. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.